Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to verify app and internet connection is required to verify trust of the developer. So guys, if you're also facing this issue here, I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to general and then go to software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, if there is any update available for you like this, simply update it, and after this go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go to your iPhone storage and from here delete some useless data from your iPhone if the memory is full. So guys, do this and now go to apps and uninstall all those useless apps from your device as well. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply go back and then you have to go to general settings again, scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time from here, and then go to language and region and tap on region and select your country or region correctly. Again go back and then go to VPN and device management and make sure that you are not connected with any VPN, and if there is any connected VPN simply disconnect it and then check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to support app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.